कसं काय मुंबई? But honestly, actually what I want to say, and I'm sure Sam must be feeling the same way, is that I think we waited so long for this. We waited so long for this that it's finally here. Can you believe it's happening actually?
I can't believe I actually had a moment with myself just sitting down. This has been a while, and I waited for this for a while. 1 year.
आप दोनों से सवाल है कि हमने देखा टीजर में कि आपने इस शो में काफी माइंड ब्लोइंग स्टंट्स किए हैं. हाउ वाज इट टू प्रिपेयर फॉर इट?
Honestly, like genuinely honestly, my preparation was very, very easy compared to Samantha's because I think it's public knowledge what she was battling when she got onto this show. And I would think I have it hard when I just started rehearsing and getting into stuff, and I'm like, yeah, Raj DK are really making me do all this and all. But when I would see the kind of work ethic this girl had and what she was actually battling, that really inspired me. And we became partners almost, in making things happen. But I've actually never been on a shoot or on a creative process like that where I'm seeing a co-actor go through something, and you learn so much. You learn so much about human beings in general when you see someone battling something and win. And I think she's inspired me, inspired Raj DK, Sita, everyone, Amazon. I think she's an inspiration that how she has done this show and done an action show. It's commendable. Seriously, Sam, it's commendable.
I should have worn glasses. I'm going to cry now.
But Samantha, you deserve. How was your experience to do the action sequences?
Varun is being too kind. Like he said, it was a partnership. When we would do action, it really felt like a dance. It felt like, you remember we discussed this, that action felt like a romantic song because there was just so much sync. I've never had that kind of sync because, well, Rajan DK being Rajan DK, love, long shot. They don't say cut, and it goes on for how long was our...
I think we have a 11 or 12 minute one take action sequence.
Wow.
in the show.
And it's the both of us with the cameraman, and everyone has to be in absolute sync. So I've never felt that kind of chemistry with anyone, and it shows. I believe it shows because that action sequence is truly special. I shouldn't say that myself, but just making it was absolutely beautiful.
So a huge round of applause for everybody who's put in that hard work, effort to make Citadel Honey Bunny what it is.
And honestly, this is just a teaser. ये सिर्फ teaser है. Actually, what all is there, Raj and DK are being a little कंजूस. उन लोगों को खोलना नहीं अभी तक. It's something which will blow your minds. The kind of everything. I think the kind of background score we have, the way the show has been set up, the way we've shot it, was really a learning experience. For me, I think after Badlapur and October, I was shooting on real locations. Otherwise, it would always be sets and this and that, little more glamorized. But with this, we were every day, one day in Bhandup, one day in Thane, one day... I was like, यार ये Amazon का शो है, मेरे को लगा यार थोड़ा सेट वेट पे लेके जाएंगे. But they were like, नहीं, स्ट्रीट पे करना है, भागो इधर, उधर जाओ, ये करो. And but fingers crossed. I don't want to speak too much. Just very excited about it.
We want to know from your side, how was it working with Varun? You guys are working for the first time together.
For the first time on such a big show, I really wanted... I know Varun is one of the most hardworking people in the industry, and all he thinks about, I believe that from the time he wakes up, he has only one thought, and that is, how do I do this scene better? How do I... He actually does, from the time he wakes up, I think he's always focusing on how to do his job better. And also, on a side note, he's also one of the nicest human beings. I think that he has a wonderful sense of humor, and he just makes sure that everyone is happy on set. He's always smiling. There's never a rough day. Everyone is just so cool around him. And what he's done in Citadel is a completely new VD, completely new. His action is